thought you were already getting worried about the time. I was like, it's fine. Like, don't even worry. Okay. I'll stop it, so don't worry if it's like going too fast.
Do you remember the countless sit-ups and side crunches at the gym? Those exercises are actually working your internal and external oblique muscles. Both along with the transverse abdominis compose the lateral abdominal wall. The external oblique is the largest and most superficial. When we look at the muscle fibers of the external oblique, we notice that they run downward and medially. On the other hand, the muscle fibers of the internal oblique run upward and medially. However, the most inferior of the muscle fibers run downward and medially like the muscle fibers of the external oblique. We won't get the two confused because the internal oblique lies deep to the external oblique. Both the external and internal oblique muscles are responsible for bilateral flexion. They are both also I heard you. Okay, they are both also responsible for lateral.
What?
You made me laugh.
No, you're fine. We'll just cut it out.
Okay, cool. Or just edit it, whatever. They're both also responsible for lateral flexion occurring on the same side. For example, if I do a side crunch on my left side, then I will use the external and internal oblique muscles of the left side. The external oblique is also responsible for rotation of the opposite side. Therefore, if I am rotating towards my left, that means the external oblique muscles of my right are doing the work. The internal oblique muscles are also responsible for rotation, but unlike the external oblique muscles, the internal oblique is responsible for rotation on the same side. Therefore, if I am rotating towards my left, that means the internal oblique muscles of my left are doing the work.